The LG THERMA vs R290 Monobloc is a next-generation heat pump designed for eco-conscious homeowners seeking an efficient and quiet climate control system. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Environmentally friendly. Low global warming potential, GWP. The R290 refrigerant boasts a GWP of 3, significantly reducing its environmental impact compared to traditional refrigerants. This aligns with stricter regulations and eco-friendly practices. Government subsidies. Some regions offer financial incentives for using low GWP refrigerants, making the THERMA vs R290 Monobloc an attractive option. Efficiency and performance. High efficiency. The heat pump achieves ERP energy labeling up to A+++, A+++, translating to lower energy consumption and reduced electricity bills. Impressive heating capacity. It maintains 100% heating output at -15 degrees Celsius and can operate down to -28 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various climates. Hot water production. The unit can deliver flow temperatures of up to 75 degrees Celsius, ideal for radiant floor heating systems. Quiet operation. Low noise levels. The THERMA vs R290 Monobloc operates at sound power levels as low as 49 decibels, A, for some models, meeting strict noise regulations and ensuring peaceful operation. Design and installation. Monobloc design. All hydronic components are pre-installed within the outdoor unit, simplifying installation and eliminating the need for separate refrigerant piping. Indoor unit compatibility. The unit can connect to 3 types of indoor units: control box, hydro box, and combi unit, to cater to diverse needs. Sleek design. The outdoor unit boasts a modern design that can blend seamlessly into various residential settings. Additional considerations. Government incentives and rebates can vary by region, so research local programs for potential savings. While the monobloc design simplifies installation, consulting with a qualified HVAC professional is recommended to ensure proper sizing and installation for optimal performance. Overall, the LG THERMA vs R290 Monobloc presents a compelling option for homeowners seeking a sustainable, efficient, and quiet heating and cooling solution. Its eco-friendly credentials, impressive performance, and user-friendly design make it a strong contender in the market for next-generation heat pumps.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.